Hi guys, subscribe my channel, and stay with us from my below link. However, now, I am going to deliver a review of the product that is, Tinton Life Ultra Quiet Mini Home Rod, Vacuum Cleaner, Portable Dust Collector, Home Aspirator, Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. If you are interested to find the product details, and wanted to purchase on discount price, with free shipping, check my below AliExpress link. This product has very good customer review. It has 4.9 stars out of 5 stars according to 1779 votes. At the time of my review the product. Brand name, Tinton Life. Special suction nozzle, flat suction nozzle. Installation, handheld. Function, dry. Filter type, HEPA. Dust storage type, dust box or dust bucket. Commodity type, household cleaning. Extended handle of ABS. Power wire holder. Easy installation design. Air out design for both sides. Dust container button. High efficient of brush. 2 ways to pour dust. The real buyers are buying this product around the world. So, undoubtedly, you can decide to buy from AliExpress, discount link below.